Hey everybody!
Hey everybody!
So today I am unboxing my fall FabFitFun box, and I've got my little clan with me. Right? You're gonna help me? Yeah!
And Jackson's gonna help you.
He is gonna help me. You too, Jackson? You're gonna help us? Yeah? He looks a little scared. Yeah, he's smiling. Yeah, so I got my fall FabFitFun box, and I am on maternity leave, so I've been spending a lot of time with my two boys, which has been great most of the time. But yeah, so today I decided to include them in my unboxing, especially this one. He kind of likes it. He loves opening boxes, so come on. Although he's having a snack, so that might overtake his want to unbox my box or help me unbox the box. But I'm gonna get started. And he needs, I guess, water. Kind of how it goes when you're, with kids around. So while he does that, I'm going to pick out a few other things. Thank you very much, y'all. Where are you going? Right here. The camera keeps shutting off. All right. Okay.
They're not cantaloupe.
It smells like cucumber, I think. Doesn't it? What is it? It's exfoliating scrubs. Alright, let me see. Yes, this is the exfoliating sugar scrub in Juice Cleanse. And it smells delicious. It is, what is the scent? It's like a cucumber or cantaloupe smell. Can't quite pinpoint it. Please don't make a mess with that. Okay, next, no, nothing. So these are the little cubes. There's about 8 of them. They're quite big. And I think you just probably, they're just sugar scrubs and you use them in the shower. They're a little Juice Cleanse. And next, okay, you work on that, and I'm gonna keep talking. There's a daily hair repair remedy by Aveda. I love hair products. This is infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy. Instantly repair and protect your hair from heat and styling.
Ooh. This is good.
Wow. That's a flat iron.
Is it hot?
No.
Not me doing.
I flat iron my hair a lot, so he is very familiar with the process. Okay, you do it. Good job. By Amiga. Your turn. And this was something that I picked out because I figure I can have a backup for my current. I love my current flat iron. But I've had it for a really long, very, very long time. So have a good hair day every day. The 100% ceramic plates generate safe and even heat for shiny, smooth hair. He is going to demonstrate here. Show him how you do it. Over here, by the camera. Show him how you do it. There you go. Good job. This one retails for, stop, you don't break it. This one retails for $80.
What is Daddy? Daddy, what?
The scrubs retail for $16.
Daddy.
And my Aveda Damage Remedy for $30. And then, okay, what's next? I need more stuff, please. You like this one? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. This is Humankind Skincare with a Conscience. This is a body lotion. Ooh. Yeah.
No, it is dark.
It is sharp. It's loud, right? lather yourself in a soulful blend of apricot oil.
Don't put your feet right there.
No, porque te quema. They give you a boo-boo. Yeah, you keep working on that. Apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. I think I've mentioned in the past that I absolutely love moisturizers. And this is vegan and cruelty-free.
It's really hot.
It's really hot. Okay, don't touch it. And then I've got this little...
hot, don't touch.
Some detox pads. And where are these guys? Detox pads. No. Oh, here they are. To be. Just a few swipes of the cleansing pad deep cleans, exfoliates, and firms your skin appearance while softening lines and wrinkles. So I'm all about skincare, definitely over makeup. So these are just, I guess, some pads that you run over your face at night. I usually do heavier cleansing at night because it removes all like the all-day dirt and grime, and I like to go to bed feeling really clean. So these are by no, not Amika, Tubi. These are by Nasi FMD, I don't know, detox pads, and these retail for $45. And whatever the kid is working with over here, this is a Pure C vitamin C mixing crystals. What is this? No, please leave it. Please. It's gonna make a big mess. Alright, so this, what's that? Well, what's this one first?
BB.
Nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of the 100% pure acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. So you just add this to your moisturizer for a little extra boost, I guess. And this one retails for $54. It's quite small. And next is this little container. What is this? 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 What is this?
The oil.
Oils?
Yeah.
It's not oils. Ah. This is by Skin & Company Aroma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. Gentle enough for all skin types. The toner uses black winter. Whoa, what is it?
The makeup.
It's makeup. How do you use it? It's cold. How do you use it? It's cold, look. What else is in there? Meanwhile, while he works on that, I'm going to finish this one off. This is gentle enough for all skin types. The toner uses black winter truffle, witch hazel, and sage to remove impurities and brighten discoloration. Retails for $30. So it's just face toner. What's that?
So these are makeup.
Oh, can I see the box?
These are makeup.
Oh, can I see it?
Yeah, with it.
This is... Oh, careful. He was able to open it. Oh,
Why?
Ven para acá. Because then I won't be able to take it off your face. No. A ver, go a little bit. Put it on my eye.
Put that on your eye.
Thank you. Okay. So this is foresee Trustique, which is a brand that I really love. I use a lot of their lip products.
What are these?
I don't know, but be careful. I want him to ruin it. I'm really excited about this little eye essential. Oh, thank you. Am I pretty?
Oh.
What? He said no. Okay. Create a gorgeous eye look with the soft brow pencil long wearing eyeliner and velvety smooth eyeshadow crayon. This retails for $48. So let me see this. I actually think oh no, don't do that.
Why?
Because you're gonna ruin it. Okay, so this one has a brow pencil. It has a shadow crayon, two shadow crayons, brow pencil, 2 shadow crayons, and 1 eye pencil. Let me see. So these 2 here are shadows, and then you get this one, which is like an eyeliner, and then this is your brow pencil for your eyebrows. So very neutral colors, which I absolutely love, more like an everyday type of thing.
I'm gonna put them on your eyebrows.
Am I pretty now?
No.
What? Still?
No.
Are you pretty?
No.
Tampoco?
I am pretty.
You are pretty? What about Jackson? Is Jackson pretty?
Yeah.
He is. What about Mama? Is Mama pretty?
Not yet.
Oh, thank you.
You're not pretty yet.
What else do I need?
You need.
Wait, you agree with him? No.
You got 3 more.
3 more?
Yeah. That's it. I want to tap into.
No.
Why?
Because. Alright, you guys, and that was it. Hopefully I am now pretty. But that was our FabFitFun box for fall. I cannot believe it's already going to be fall, but it is what it is, right? It's every year. This is my little boy Jackson. I think I've introduced him in the past. But he is an awesome baby. He will almost be 2 months. 8, 7. And he is awesome baby, let me tell you. He is awesome. Doesn't cry, needs very little attention. Thankfully,
I cry.
You cry all the time.
Yeah.
So thankfully this one is a great little baby because my other big baby requires a lot more attention, right? You're such a good baby. You're a great baby too. You're such a good baby.
I don't cry.
You don't cry?
No.
Okay.
I just don't cry.
Alright, you guys, I will let you go and thank you very much for watching. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
I'll see you next time. Oh, hey,
What?
you have to flex. Show your muscles. Show muscles. Harder. Al otro. Muscles. Yay. We go to the gym together, right? We work out. Ready?
Yeah.
Say, hey guys.
Hey guys.
We are going to open or unbox the falls. Oh no, these are plopping out. Alright, let's try that again. You didn't close it, dude.
What?
You didn't close it. Okay. The one that I have is by Paul Mitchell. Absolutely love it, but it's probably like 10 years old, and I figured it's probably gonna eventually die on me. It's just the way of life. Ow, just pulled like 2 hairs. Okay, no more. Look at that. You see that? No more pulling here.
Why?
Because it hurt. No more. You do flat iron your hair.
Fine.
Because, Mama, you pull my mom's hair. I'm already going to start losing the hair. Post, baby. It happens. There you go. You work on that.
It hurts.
I know, right? Where are you going? Where are you going, Papas?